Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today we will know how to get glowing skin naturally. Achieving glowing skin doesn't always require expensive products or treatments. With the right natural habits and skincare routine, you can achieve a radiant complexion. Here are some effective ways to get glowing skin naturally. First, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is one of the simplest and most effective way to keep your skin glowing. Water helps flush out toxins, keep your skin hydrated and improve its elasticity. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and considering adding fruit like cucumber and watermelon for added hydration. Second, follow a healthy diet. Eating a nutrient-rich diet is essential for healthy growing skin. Focus on fruits and vegetables. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, they help fight skin damage and improve skin texture. Citrus fruits, berries and leafy greens are great choice. Healthy fats. Include fruits like avocados, nuts and olive oil. These fats help nourish your skin and maintain its natural growth. Protein. Lean protein like chicken, fish and legumes help repair and regenerate skin cells, keeping your skin vibrant. Third, get enough sleep. Sleep is vital for skin repair and rejuvenation. During sleep, your body works to repair and regenerate skin cells. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to recover from daily stresses and maintain a healthy, glowing appearance. Fourth, follow a simple skincare routine. Cleansing, moisturizing and exfoliating are the key steps to glowing skin. Use a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and dirt and apply a natural moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with a mild scrub or natural exfoliant like honey and sugar to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh skin. Fifth, protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can lead to skin damage and premature aging. Always wear sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher when going outside even on cloudy days. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays helps maintain its natural glow and prevent dark spots. Getting glowing skin naturally is about staying hydrated, eating well, getting enough rest and following a consistent skincare routine. With time and care, you can achieve a radiant, healthy complexion. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.